On the afternoon of 2nd February 2022, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA had yet again inaugurated another project in the form of a workshed of Nela Handloom Silk Production Unit at UMROH, MAWKASIANG, Shillong. Those present included the Commissioner of Textiles, Government of Meghalaya, FREDRICK KHARKONGOR, local MLA PYNIAID SYIEM, proprietor of the unit James DKHAR, his family members, other government officials besides others. It may be mentioned that James DKHAR has been exporting silk products to mainland India and to the rest of the world. CONRAD SANGMA, while addressing the gathering, appreciated the efforts of James DKHAR, who the Chief Minister believes is not just an entrepreneur but an inspiration to others. Despite challenges faced by the young entrepreneur, yet he has been enduring such problems in order to be productive in a very positive manner, added CONRAD SANGMA. SANGMA also announced that an amount of Rs 10 lakhs from the Chief Minister's fund would be donated to the proprietor of the silk production unit for expansion and upgradation of the existing workshed.
What James is doing out here, in spite of all the difficulties and challenges he has faced, of not getting the kind of support that he needs, he is still here today doing what he believes is right. And that's really something that's truly inspiring. Even for a person like me, I am truly inspired by these kind of success stories and stories that really are meaningful and something that I think our youth should learn from. So, James, you are not just an entrepreneur, but you're an inspiration to the young generation, who believe and who should always believe and follow their passion and never give up in spite of all the challenges they may face. And this is a fact that we must all be aware of. And that is the reason why in the last 3.5, 4 years, once we came to the government, I have been promoting and pushing for entrepreneurship. And that is how I met James also. It is through the Chief Minister's Entrepreneur of the Month that I came in touch with James and I saw the wonderful work he was doing. And like him, there are many entrepreneurs with whom I was able to meet up and really understand what they're doing in order to create business and opportunity, create jobs, and really be productive in a very, very, positive manner. And therefore, what James is doing today is something that we should all be inspired by. And that is the reason why when I was told about this project, without any hesitation, I have decided to come and to be part of this program. It is to show my support. It is also to tell the rest of the population and the youth that if James can do it, then you can also do it. It's a question of you believing in yourself. James, I'm happy to inform you that I will give 10 lakhs to you from my own fund for you to buy the additional 5 looms that you require. And this, I feel, will go a long way in not just your production, but it'll also take forward the cause that you have taken up, which is to really show the pride of us being able to make our own traditional clothes. And
PYNIAID SYIEM expressed his gratitude to young entrepreneur James DKHAR for taking the tradition of the state throughout the world through silk garments and products that are being manufactured at the workshed at MAWKASIANG in New Shillong.
We are so happy to have a person like James DKHAR in our constituency, who is very creative and innovative, who is very hard-working person, that he could set up this unit. And through this weaving unit, we could advertise our culture through these all varieties of products that we get from this weaving unit here. And we're very happy that this government, under the leadership of Shri CONRAD SANGMA as the Chief Minister, who's encouraging our youths to come up who are having different talents in different aspects, to encourage them to set up or to encourage them to be entrepreneurs who can create job opportunities to many unemployed youths in this locality, in this state as a whole.